All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Mark Anderson with MA Consulting Services. Really wanted to spend some time in this video to showcase for a lot of you personal injury attorneys out there the importance of having Google posts and why it's very important to have those on your Google My Business and how they're able to actually help you go out there and generate, more traffic and more calls to your business. Now, predominantly for you guys, one of the first things that you're going to want to be able to do to be able to actually go into a post is these are the steps. This is on our blog page, so I will add the information in the description too as well. It's very simple. You just log into your Google My Business, go to the Google My Business profile, click on posts. We recommend to go to update. And these are some guidelines you're going to want to follow when you craft a post. A headline in 58 characters, description, the max you're going to have is 1,500. Explain your services and specifically what you do. If you do workman's comp, if you do product liability, if you do dog bites, all that stuff, you want to make sure the post that you're focusing on is focused. Don't try to talk about 6 or 7 services in one post. Make the post very, very specific. And if you want to talk about dog bites in another post, that's where you go. Then you can put a book. So if you have a third-party link that you like to send your clients to, you can do that there. If you have a contact page on your website, you can use that as well. Call Now will put a direct link to your phone number so they can call that. Learn more if you want to promote a blog or some type of information like that. You can put that in the link too as well. Add high-quality images. You can use something like Pixabay, but if you already have visuals on your website, feel free to use that too as well. And then once you're done with all that, you're going to be able to publish. Now, we also recommend to try to do at least 1 to 2 posts a week. I know it's not easy to do. Try to do at least 1 per week, so that's 4 per month. That will be able to help not only improve your quality on your Google My Business, your authority, but it also will be able to help you out improve your GeoGrid too as well. Now, basically a GeoGrid, you may have heard me talk about in this channel before. It gives you the ability to be able to identify where you are in terms of your Google My Business, the surrounding area. It'll also help you understand when's the last time that you did a post. So these guys are doing a solid job. This is predominantly their listing. If you go down here, you'll be able to see the updates or the posts that they have. You literally can just click on any one of your competitor sites, go to the section that's called updates, and then you will be able to see this is an example of a Google My Business. They also have hashtags too as well, but you'll see that they have an image, a description that's focused, and they just do that consistently. Now, in your case, if you're trying to figure out when's the last time they did a post, you can look at them manually. You can also run a GeoGrid report on your competition. You'll see a bunch of reds in these areas. So in the outside areas, they have some work to do, but once they get close to their office, they're doing fine. You see some greens, you see some yellows. Once again, Los Angeles is a very competitive area, but that's solid. This section right here lets them know things that can be improved within their listing to pretty much push the needle going forward. This section right here is important. This is how you identify. You can run this for yourself too as well. It's like, hey, your latest post was 2 weeks was more than 2 or 3 weeks ago. You might want to consider updating that too as well. And that for you as a business owner is going to allow you to be able to identify in real time when was my last post, what is my competition doing in relevance to me, and then how does their post look in relation to what we're doing. You combine all those things together, you're going to do very well, and you're going to be able to improve your GeoGrid through your Google My Business posts, which is also going to be to help you get in front of more qualified customers. So if you guys need more information, please revert to the blog. Also, too, if you're finding you don't have enough time to be able to do this, we work with a lot of clients within the personal injury space. We've also consulted people too as well. So feel free to reach out to us. I'll put my contact information in, and you can feel free to book a meeting with us, and we'll let you know a little bit more about how you can use this to improve your law firm going forward. So this will be Mark Anderson at MA Consulting Services. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it.